Hi. So this video is for anybody who is clueless as to what to do if you see the symptoms of COVID-19 in yourself or people around you. Currently, the entire healthcare system is overwhelmed because of the pandemic. So this video is about what you can do to relieve some of that stress. So this is what you can expect from the video. What to do if somebody around you tests positive for COVID-19. How to get a COVID medical kit ready at home. And how to look for hospital beds in case there's a need. This is according to the ICMR guidelines. So let's get into the details now. First, please do not panic if you see any symptoms of the COVID-19. Keep checking your oxygen levels on an oximeter. An oximeter is available in any medical store near you, or you can find it online, say on an Amazon or a Flipkart. The normal oxygen blood saturation level should be 97. If it is below 90, then immediately isolate yourself. There might be a chance that you have the infection. Please do not rush to get the test done. There's a high possibility that you might contract the infection in the process. Please consult with a doctor online or over the phone. Now, what will the doctor do? The doctor will first try and determine if there is a possibility that you have contracted the infection. They will do this by asking you about your symptoms, your history, and your oxygen saturation levels. If the doctor feels that there is a possibility that you might have contracted the infection, they will ask you to take the test. Even if they don't, please continue isolating yourself till you no longer experience the symptoms. There are two ways that you can get the test done. Either you can go to a COVID testing center or you can get it done at home. If you decide to go to the test center, please make sure that you wear gloves and masks and take only one family member along with you. List of testing centers is available on these websites. Till your test results come back, please continue isolating yourself. If the test results come back as negative, please continue isolating yourself till the symptoms are gone completely. If you test positive, you will be informed by the local authorities like the BBMP in Bangalore or the BMC in Bombay or by the private lab. You will receive an ICMR ID or an SRF number from them. This is a centralized number across India and is very, very important. Even if you do not get a physical report, you might get an SMS stating the ICMR ID or the SRF number, and that means that you have tested positive. Please remember that the only way that you can be admitted into a hospital or into a healthcare center is if you show them this number. Please do not rush to the hospital. The local authorities will get in touch with you and come and inspect your house. Then they will check if the conditions for the home isolation protocol are being met. That is, if you have a separate room with an attached bathroom that only you will use. If yes, then you can be home quarantined or isolated at home. If not, you will be directed to the closest available COVID care center. If you've been approved for home isolation, then this is a COVID medical kit that you need to have at home. If quarantined at home, then your meals have to be in accordance with this diet chart. Please make sure that you don't come in contact with any other individual. Please monitor your oxygen levels every 4 hours using the oximeter. You will have to fill up this log sheet for 14 days with all these details. This log sheet will then be handed over to your local authorities to make sure that you followed every rule for the home quarantine, and then basis that they will decide if you can continue to stay at home. Check with your doctor about the home isolation protocol and please follow them strictly. If the oxygen levels drop below 90, then you need to start arranging for an oxygen cylinder and consult your doctor. Once you start using the oxygen cylinder, the oxygen intake needs to be monitored and the person administering the oxygen needs to be in proper PPE kit. If your oxygen levels continue to drop, then you need to start looking for a bed. Speak to your local corporation officers. Information is available on these websites. Please remember that it could take up to 24 to 48 hours to find a bed for a patient. So please plan well ahead in time and keep extra oxygen cylinders in case a bed is not available immediately. Unless there's an assured confirmation that a bed is available, please do not transport the patient. After bed allotment, the patient has to be transported to the hospital in an ambulance only. Please do not use your private cars for the transport. Once you're at the hospital, your treatment will begin based on your condition. Speak to your local corporation officers. Information is available on these websites. And here is what you should do now. Take charge of your home and community. Have the COVID medical kit ready at home. Buy the pulse oximeter. And make sure that the people around you are equipped as well. So thank you for watching the video, guys, and I really hope that none of you ever have to use this video. But I would really encourage you guys to share this video with everybody around you actually, so that people can be prepared and we can all get through this pandemic together. So stay home and stay safe.